Have you seen those magical, dreamy videos that look straight out of a Studio Ghibli movie? Peaceful scenes, soft lighting, nostalgic music. People call it the Ghibli trend. But what if I told you this trend might be a scam in disguise? Let's break it down. To turn your video into a Ghibli-style animation, most people use AI tools or apps. You upload your photos or clips, sometimes even your voice, and the AI transforms it. Sounds harmless, right? But here's where it gets dangerous. The moment you upload your content, you are giving those AI platforms access to your personal data. That includes your face, your location, your background, even your voice in some cases. And guess what? Most people don't even read the terms and conditions before hitting accept. Many of these platforms have policies that say they can collect, store, analyze, and even use your content however they want. Some terms explicitly mention that you give them a worldwide, royalty-free license to use your videos and images forever. That means your face could be used to train AI models, create ads, or even be sold to third parties, and you won't be informed. They can legally take your content, modify it, and use it for commercial purposes. And the worst part, you can't do anything about it because you already agreed to it when you use the app or tool. This isn't just about a fun trend anymore. This is about your privacy, your digital identity, and how easily it can be taken from you. While you're enjoying the aesthetic, they're collecting the data. While you're showing the world a magical moment, they're training their AI with your face. Most people don't realize this until it's too late. That cute Ghibli-style video might be floating around the internet, or worse, being used to teach AI how to mimic real humans. So next time you follow a viral trend, pause for a second, read the privacy policy, check the permissions. Ask yourself, is the magic worth the cost? Because not everything that looks beautiful is safe. The Ghibli trend isn't just a fun aesthetic. Now, for some companies, it's a goldmine of free data, and for you, it could be a silent trap. Stay aware, stay safe, think before you upload.